Hello, I'm David Beadle. Here's what's happening from RateAlertNow.com. 30-year mortgage rates reversed direction again on Friday and moved back to the upside ahead of the weekend. In the absence of fresh data releases, many investors were taking profits on their Thursday price gains. The national average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is now at 4.75%, with 2 1/8 points, up 3/8 of a point from Thursday, for an extra cost of $375 on a $100,000 loan. The 5% rate was up 1/4 point to 5/8 of 1 point for an extra cost of $250 on $100,000 of borrowing. Remember, 1 point is worth 1% of the loan amount. This means 1 point is $1,000 on a $100,000 loan and $2,000 on a $200,000 loan. When it comes to a 2-point loan, that represents 2% of the loan amount. This means 2 points is $2,000 on a $100,000 loan and $4,000 on a $200,000 loan. The national average 15-year fixed-rate mortgage was up as well, with the 4 1/4% rate now at 1 1/4 points, and the 4 3/8% rate is now at 3/4 of 1 point. In order for you to know when to lock your floating fixed-rate mortgage, you have to have an early warning system on changes in current rates and points before they occur throughout every business day. That's where my Rate Alert Now service becomes essential to your rate lock strategy. I'll tell you via regular email and or mobile text messaging when current rates are about to go up, and if you act quickly, you may be able to reach your local mortgage professional by phone to lock your rate before the mortgage company has had time to execute an emergency rate change. The cost of my service is less than $1 a day. During the upcoming holiday week, we will see November existing home sales results on Tuesday. The estimate is for a mild rise to an annualized pace of 6.3 million home purchase transactions. On Wednesday, the government will report on November new home sales, which are also expected to have risen by a modest amount. That's what's happening. I'm David Beadle. For full details on my real-time mortgage rate alert service to help you beat the system, visit RateAlertNow.com and check back here on Saturday for my next free mortgage rate update.